Okay, welcome back guys and girls for another episode of Turbo Tony. How you doing? Welcome. So we're just going out for a little bit of an evening ride. The skies are grey. It's about to rain. It's not looking good. And it's very windy today as well. So if you can hear wind on this, I'm sorry, it's just the way it is. I can't do what about it. It's all in God's hands. I've got a car up my arse, so let's just pull away a little bit. We've got the GoPro Hero 9 set up. It's looking pretty good actually. I got it set up on the windscreen. I got the mount pretty much glued on there. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I've done it. It's nice and stable. I don't think it's wobbling very far. My jacket's blowing up with all wind, so it probably looks like I've got massive tits, but not that big really. Yeah, so we're out for a good stroll today. We're just going over Honley. We're going to jump over at Tops towards where we're going. Saddleworth Moor, I believe we're heading that way. We're going to have a look at some views, but I'm telling you now, weather's not going to be good up here. So we'll take it as it comes. We'll see what happens. And those that you haven't ever seen me on video this way before, I'm rocking a Ruroc helmet 2.0. Because I keep getting people asking me, what's that helmet you've got? What's with teeth? Well, it is the Ruroc Impaler. I'm not sure who's to still make them anymore because they're on to the 3.0 now. Which apparently is a lot better design than the one that I've got, which is the 2.0. Just move this up a little bit. They've got better liners in the new ones, which this one, I'm not going to lie, even though it's a great helmet, it's lightweight. I can see a lot. It's not restrictive on the viewing window. Look at this. What's this? Yeah. Yeah, so the great helmets are the Rurocs, but unfortunately the liners that are inside are crap. And I'm going to say how it is, because every other Tom, Dick and Harry is saying how amazing these are. And they do look, you know, the design on these are really good. Check it out, the design on there, if you can see that. It looks really good. You know, they come with a dark visor. And once you get the pin lock in there, they don't steam up at all. I've had no problems with mine steaming up. We've got a really good sealed pin lock in my visor. For those of you who don't know, a pin lock basically is a film that goes on the inside of your visor, and it creates like a gap between the film and your visor, and it stops it from steaming up. So if you have problems with the helmet steaming up, get one that's pin lock ready and get a pin lock on it. Yeehaw! Stuck in traffic already. I've come out at 5 PM, which is prime time for people driving home from work, which is never good. However, you get out when you get out, don't you? So anyway, back to the Rurocs. Yeah, they've got a great design and they're nice and lightweight, because I've noticed when I'm doing moto vlogs and I've got the helmet, the camera on here and a few other bits and bats, especially not on this particular helmet, but on other helmets, get quite heavy and you end up with neck ache. So you've got two options. One, you do some neck exercises and strengthen your neck up, or two, you get a lightweight helmet, which is what I've done. And yeah, it's made a big difference actually. So if you struggle with neck ache, get yourself a Ruroc, or you don't even have to have a Ruroc, get yourself a carbon helmet. A lot of other manufacturers make them, but I tell you, they're absolutely amazing, you know, for your neck. So yeah, the question is, do I upgrade to the 3.0? I don't know. Have any of you guys got a Ruroc 3.0? And if you do, what is the liner like inside? Because the liner on this, on the 2.0, is absolutely fucking terrible, excuse my language. I've gone through 2 liners, and after about 2-3 months at max, they just flatten out. There's like no padding in there, and they're no good because then they're not gripping onto the side of your head. So yeah, I'm not very happy about that, but I really love the design. I love the other features on it. Like, I get plenty of air in there, and in winter I put my blocks in there to stop all air coming in, because a lot of people complain about air, but you just Ruroc sell air vents and air vent blockers, and you just block them up and there's no problem. So No problemo. The only thing is they're a little bit expensive. I'm not going to lie. I think I got mine on sale and I paid 270 British pounds, and it should have been 350 British pounds, which I don't know what the work out is, but it's probably around about $500 for you that are across the pond. What the fuck's going on here? Right, we're going to go up and over the tops. And it's extremely fucking windy up here. Damn, I should have gone down valley, not up valley. I did say it were windy today, didn't I? It's like now the liner's like, it's a little bit flat on inside and a little bit of wind and it's just rattling my helmet a bit. So I definitely need a new helmet. But do I get the 3.0? Is the liner better? If you've got a 3.0, comment below. Have you had it for a couple of months? And is it a better liner? That's all I want to know. Because if it is, I'll order one. Look at the scenery out here. If you guys can see this, all the moorland up here has gone purple. I need to bring the drone out and show you this. In fact, I might have some drone footage at home. If I do, I'll stick it on. But all the moorland here is literally bloomed in a lovely purple colour. You can see it here. And when it's sunny, I mean it's dark and cloudy today, but when it's sunny, it's absolutely beautiful. I've not seen the moorland this purple in forever. It looks really nice. Yeah, it looks good. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're just heading, we're on, which road are we on here? I think we're on Woodhead Road. No, Woodhead Road's the other one. Anyway, whatever, we're heading over to Saddleworth Moor, and it goes over the Pennines. And there's literally nothing between Home Faith and Saddleworth Moor for about 10 miles. It's just moors, moors and moors and moors. And it's really high up. The elevation up here is absolutely staggering. And the amount of planes that have crashed up here, I don't know, back in the day. There's some bombers up here that have crashed, and you can get out, walk and go see them, and they're still there. Might do it one day, that'd be interesting. Let's do some adventures on bike one day. Let's go find a plane that's crashed. I also know where there's an underground bunker. One day we're going to do that. We're going to go for a ride on bike. We're going to go find this underground bunker and we are going to investigate it. That sounds a plan. The only thing is, I think it's got water in the bottom at the moment, so I'll go and have a look first and then we will organise it. So up in here guys, the landscapes up here are amazing. Check that out, it's literally nothing. Nothing but nothingness. No houses, no businesses, no phone signal, nothing. Purple, love it, looks really nice. I hope you can see this on GoPro. It's just starting to rain, so obviously my GoPro is going to get a mess. I'll come back over here one day when it's sunny, because when it's sunny over here it's gorgeous. And as you get over the other side of where Dovestones is, it's some right nice reservoirs and massive like cliff sides. I'll bring drone over one day, that'll look really good. In fact, if it's sunny tomorrow, I will do it tomorrow. Look, nothingness. You don't want to be up here when it's bloody snowing, I tell you now. I really need to get a better helmet. So the GoPro Hero 9, it looks to be doing pretty well on here. I've stuck it on with the GoPro mount. I used some 3M tape. 3M tape is like amazing. Don't ever use anything other than the 3M tape. Them cheap GoPro mount stickers that you get on eBay, whatnot. The shite always fall off. So yeah, definitely get the 3M ones. Stick like bloody shit to a wall. It's not rattling around. It looks to be quite stable. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it so far. We'll see what it's like in editing. Right, okay. Check it out, look at all this purpleness. I don't think you can be able to see this right well. You're not going to be able to see it as well as I do. And I have this all on my doorstep. All this wilderness just straight at the back of my doorstep. I don't come up here enough. I come up here with a bike. I ride over here all the time, but I don't actually venture out. I could do with getting a push bike and having a ride on some trails, you know. Look at that nothingness over there. Pennines. But this is the source of a lot of bad weather in Earth. It's like all clouds congregate on top and then it just dumps it over the edge straight into Earth where I live, and it's like constantly raining all the time. Not the best place. Check this out as we go down here. I wish it was sunny, because if it was sunny right now you'd appreciate it a lot better than what it is anyway. We're going to start a descent back down the mountain. Yeah, really nice. I'll bring the drone down one day because I'm trying to look around. Look at that. Dovestones Reservoir. A lot of people go and stand on top of that mountain up there and take pictures. Well, it's not a mountain, but on the edge up there. Such a shame that it's raining right now. I bet you any money my GoPro lens has tried to dry it off from my hands. I'm sure they've seen me. Yeah, it's cracking down here, isn't it? I'll tell you what as well, some of these roads are amazing for riding around when there's not a lot of traffic. I come down at sort of peak time really when everyone's going home from work, but early in the morning when the sun's come up, spot on. No traffic around here. All twisties, all woodland, especially when it's sunny. To die for me, honestly. We have a lot of best roads around here. Like some parts of America where they're just straight roads or grids. I couldn't do with that. Right, okay, so it's pretty much a short video today. I'm pretty much out of what to talk about. I came out testing my GoPro Hero 9, which we're doing right now. We're testing it, and it's crappy weather, so it's a good time to test it because GoPros are always at the worst when it's not sunny. Basically, you always get your best picture in a GoPro when the sun's out, and when it's dull like this, it's a good time to test them. So yeah, we were just testing that. I think it's held up. Like I said, the mount's sticking to the bloody window. It's not a window. The mount's sticking to the screen really well. It's not come off. It's not shaking. Yeah, I'm quite happy actually. What do you think? Is this going to make for better content? I don't know. I think it immersifies it a little bit. It brings me more into the picture instead of just seeing sort of the front of the bike all the time. You know, we could talk a bit more. Bike and bird, that's what we call it. And on another note, I just want to keep pointing my finger. On another note, I'm really struggling with getting test rides on bikes. One of the features of the show that I wanted to do was bike reviews, and unfortunately, due to a massive shortage of all vehicles, electronics and ecstasy coming into the country, so you can't literally just walk into a showroom at the moment. The only way to get a bike is either buy a used one, and Sky prices have gone, you know, they've rocketed the sky high at the moment. Used bikes, you can buy a used bike now and pay more than what it was new, because there's a shortage of new bikes. Or the other thing to do, I was talking to Yamaha today because I wanted to review the MT-09. I'm going to go around here, and they've told me that you've got to go on a waiting list, and it could be next year. I wasn't ready for that. It's a little bit wet, that roundabout. So yeah, we're only in, what month are we in now? We're in August, and you've got to wait until potentially next year for a brand new model bike coming out. You know, for your order to get delivered to you, which I'm not doing. That's ridiculous. So yeah, unfortunately, reviews are going to be put on hold on new machines for a short while until they're back in stock. Now that does include Honda. I believe they don't have any. They took their demo bikes off. Kawasaki have also took their demo bikes off, because what's the point in having demo bikes up front at the shop when they could sell them and make money? So that's what they're doing. They're all selling demo bikes off. Yeah, Honda's done it, Yamaha's done it, Kawasaki's done it. I believe BMW you still got demo bikes, but it's the same thing again. I was talking to BMW Motorrad, Alan Jeffries, Shipley today, if you know Shipley, and they've pretty much told me that they've only got used bikes for sale, and if you want a brand new XR or an RR, then unfortunately you're stuck on a waiting list, and they don't know how long. But you know, things change from day to day, so if you're after a new bike, keep bobbing in, keep pressuring them, stick them 50 quid on side. I'm sure they'll stick you to the top of the queue and get you one faster. It's one of them, isn't it? Right, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this vlog, and it is a moto vlog. It's nothing other than me riding and talking rubbish, as always. And subscribe, please subscribe. It don't cost you anything, and it really helps this channel out. It helps YouTube. If they see subscribers coming and people liking and commenting, YouTube push it out further so more people see it. And if I don't get that, then unfortunately YouTube sort of squashes my channel into nothing, and then basically chucks me in an hole where no one sees my videos. So please smash that subscribe button with your finger, go and smash it, like it if you like it, and if you dislike it, hit the dislike. I don't know if you know, if you don't like them, dislike them. At least I know you don't like them, and I'll try something else. So that's all good. Check this out. Let's see if we can get this on video. Yeah, but a bit of cool scenery there. But unfortunately, I can't really get my head over this wall, so it's hard to see. But right, yeah, we're gonna leave it there, guys and girls. Smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, share, like, unlike, do whatever the fuck you want to do. Peace.